are going to learn about Python data structure, which is called string. String is a sequence of ordered characters which can be alphabets in lowercase, uppercase. It can be numeric values or special symbols. Represent within double quotation, single quotation, or triple quotation at the beginning and at the ending. So, if I can write print the type of this str1 variable, it can be seen that this is plus string. In the beginning, we need to learn about the string indexing. So if I can write print str1 in third bracket a numeric value, what will it print? It will print the first character of this string, which is I. Similarly, if I can write str1 minus 1, it will print the last character of this string, which is m. Similarly, we can also print slicing of this string by writing like this from 1 to 3. So we can print this, run it. We can see that it's been printed L. What does it mean? We have started from this is indexing 0, this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. It does mean that we will start from 1 and will end at 2, and because here 3 is exclusive value, we will not include here in 3. There in front of L there is a empty space, so we cannot see it. If I can write suppose 5 to 6, 5 to 7, we print E. I have got this value. This is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. The 7 is excluded. So after that, this is the beginning and this is the ending, and we can also write step size, how it will increase. So if I write in 10, if I print EPT, this E, we are excluding this value because we are increasing it by 2, then P, and then we have excluded the Y and then T. It means printed that EPT. Now we will see about the concatenation of string. If we can write print ABC plus ABC, it will print ABC and ABC. This plus sign has concatenated both the strings. We can also multiply the strings. If we can write print ABC, then multiply with 4, you can see that it has been printed the ABC 4 times, ABC, ABC, and ABC. Similarly, we can also see some basic methods of string, to see if something is in the string, we can use in. So if I can write if b in, to use this, if b in ABC, then print yes, else print no. What will print? It will print yes, because this B character is in ABC. If we write suppose G, and it has printed no. So by using this in word, we can check whether a character or a group of words is in a string or not. So if I can write, you can also check suppose B and C. Yes, it has been also printed yes, because BC is in ABC. Similarly, we can also use not in method in the same way. We can also get the length of the string. If we write length of suppose this hello is will printed 5 because the length here is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. A big difference between indexing and the length is length always starts with 1 but the indexing starts with 0. If you use 0 you can see we have printed I. So these are some basic differences between indexing and the length. Also there are some other ways, other methods in string that we can use. Suppose we have the text called hello, so we need to like lower case all the values, all the characters. So if we can write temp is equals to, so it is text dot hello wer, sorry wer. So if we can print the temp, you can see that all the characters are in lowercase. So like HELLO, which is letter, you can see that all the letters characters are in lowercase. Similarly we have also like uppercase. So if we can write H L L O, need to use the dot upper method. So dot upper, if we print that all the characters are in uppercase. Similarly there is also an important thing that we need to know, the strip function. What does strip do? Strip like cancel out the empty spaces in left or right of a string, given string. Suppose take this again. If we have some empty spaces in front of the character string and like in the beginning of the string, so if we can use again temp1 is equals to, then write txt1 dot strip strip method, then we need to print this print temp1. You can see that this hello world, this hello world does not have any spaces in front and or at the beginning. This is just a function. What does it does? It remove in the beginning and also at the ending spaces. And also there is another thing we need to know about, the count method. What does it do? The count method will return a value and will count a particular word, character or substring. Suppose like we'll take this text to suppose Python. So we need to like count how many times p has been occurred in this string. So if we can write nice count1 is equals to, this is text dot count, we need to count p. So if we can write print, we can see that sorry, I need to use this text to p has been occurred for just one times. So if I can write and like replace the p with a text to, this a has been occurred for one time. If we can replace a with p, this means said that this whole thing has printed to, what does it mean? P has been occurred for 2 times in this string. Similarly there are some other things that we need to see. Suppose we have a text3 is equals to, suppose take this again hello. So we need to check whether like this word starts with a particular string. So if we can say temp is equals to suppose like text 3 dot starts with H E. So what does it will print? It will print true, because our given string has started with HE. So like if we can write LL, it will give false because it does not start with double L. There is one last thing that we need to also remember, and the replace method. We can replace a particular character or a substring from a given string. Let's take this example again. So we need to replace this capital H with small h. So what we do, write 10 3 is equals to txt3 dot replace. At first we need to write the old value that we want to replace, then we need to write the newer value that we replace the old value. We will replace the capital H with small h. Now print this temp. Yeah, okay. You can see that this capital H has been replaced by small h. This is some basic methods that can be used while using string. And I need to say another thing. In Python, when we will take an input from the user, all the inputs will be in string data type. Whether we will take the list, I will get to know about list in further videos, whether it is list or dictionary, whether the user gives it a numerical value or a list or a data set or anything, it will be given as a string. Suppose the user has give some number, num is equals to, suppose you are going to pick up enter value. Okay, so print the number, and then I will print the type of this number. Okay, now I will have to give a value. Suppose I have given 2, so you can see that I have given 2, but the type of this 2 is string, whether it is numerical value or any special characters or anything. uh, the Python input will always take the value as string. uh, given 103 is also a string. So thank you everyone, that's it. This is my introduction video on string. Thank you.